water, it is the nature's most wonderful, abundant, useful compound and is an essential. Without it, one cannot survive. It occupies a unique position in industries. Its most important use is in engineering material in the steam generation. It is also used as coolant in power and chemical plants. It is also used in other fields such as production of steel, rayon paper, atomic energy, textiles, chemical size, for air conditioning, drinking, vaping, sanitary, washing, irrigation, etc. Water is widely distributed in nature. It has been estimated that about 75% matter on Earth's surface consists of water. The body of human being consists of about 60% of water. Plants, fruits and vegetables contains 90 to 95% of water. So the different sources of water are surface water, underground waters. Hardness of water is characteristic property by which water prevents lathering of soap. The hardness of water is due to presence of certain salts, that is bicarbonate, sulfates, nitrates, chlorides of calcium and magnesium, and few other heavy metal salts dissolved in water. A sample of hard water when treated with soap, that is sodium or potassium salt of higher fatty acid like oleic, palmitic or stearate, do not produce lather with soap, but on other hand forms a white scummy precipitate. The precipitate is formed due to insoluble salts of calcium and magnesium. So what are the insoluble salts? Are nothing but calcium stearate and magnesium stearate. Thus the water which does not produce lather with soap solution readily is called hard water, and water which lathers easily on shaking with soap solution is called soft water. Coming to the types of hardness. So there are two types of hardness, temporary or carbonate hardness and permanent or non-carbonate hardness. Coming to temporary or carbonate hardness, it is caused by the presence of dissolved bicarbonates of calcium, magnesium and other heavy metals and carbonates of iron. Temporary hardness is mostly destroyed by mere boiling of water, that is when bicarbonates are decomposed, they yield insoluble carbonates or hydroxides which are deposited as crust at the bottom of the vessel. Permanent or non-carbonate hardness, it is due to the presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium, magnesium, iron and other heavy metals. It is not destroyed upon boiling. It can be eliminated by different techniques like lime soda process, ion exchange process, zeolite processes, etc. So the total hardness is equal to temporary hardness plus permanent hardness. Then coming to the equivalence, so hardness is always expressed in terms of equivalence of calcium carbonate. The concentration of hardness as well as non-hardness constituting ions are expressed in terms of equivalent amount of calcium carbonate. Why calcium carbonate means? It is in particular due to its molecular weight is 100 and equivalent weight is equal to 50. And if it is the most insoluble salt that can be precipitated in water treatments. Hardness causing salt in terms of calcium carbonate is equal to mass of hardness causing substance into chemical equivalent of calcium carbonate into molecular weight of calcium carbonate by chemical equivalent or molecular weight of hardness causing substance. Then coming to its units, the units of hardness are parts per million, milligrams per liter, degree Clark, degree French and milli equivalents per liter. So parts per million is the parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness per 10 power 6 parts of water. That means 1 ppm is equal to 1 part of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness in 10 power 6 parts of water. Milligrams per liter, number of milligrams of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness present per liter of water. Then degree Clark is the number of grains of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness per gallon of water, or it is parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness per 70,000 parts of water. Then degree French, parts of calcium carbonate equivalent hardness per 10 power 5 parts of water. So 1 degree French is equal to 0.1 ppm. Then milli equivalents per liter is the number of milli equivalents of hardness present per liter. So the relationship goes in this way for the hardness units of hardness, that is 1 ppm is equal to 1 mg per liter is equal to 0.0 degree French is equal to 0.07 degree Clark, that is equal to 0.02 milli equivalents per liter. So this is about hardness.